You won't know until Brandy starts laughing at him.
Who's that one from?
It's unmarked. Oh, no, it's not. From Mom. This is to Devin and me.
So you should both be opening it.
Oh, wow.
He really does. I'd like to take a camera, a still picture with him like that. Fantastic.
Oh, Rascal looks so cute. What is it?
I think it's a fishing book because I see somebody standing in the water.
Is it a scrapbook?
No, I don't think so.
A fishing scrapbook. Cool. A little scrapbook for you to work on while you're out fishing. Guess what you've always wanted.
Good book.
Okay, my turn. Yep. Chocolate. What's in this thing? Ooh, calendar.
If you look on the back page, it shows you all the pictures.
Ooh.
All right, Devin, you can go. He's picking very carefully.
This one's next.
Bungee cords.
Is that a
Okay.
gag joke?
No,
It's not.
you never have enough bungee cords. Especially if you want to bungee jump out of your bed first thing in the morning.
Ugh. Mosaic garden ornament.
Ooh.
I have no clue who it's from. Look. Looks like it.
Squeeze it.
That's cool. And that's gonna get annoying. I know that.
Rascal's annoyed already.
Nice. Okay, Devin, you can go.
Well, you're definitely not a sock.
Maybe that's a sock.
The other one.
Talking socks.
Jeez, more chocolate.
Not a sock, I'll tell you that. Ooh. Thingamabobber.
What kind is it?
A painted bunting.
Let's hear
What's
him.
that one sound?
That can get annoying. Rascal looks at you like saying, oh, brother.
What do you think all about
Wait a
all
minute,
this,
who are these
Rascal?
from?
Huh?
Santa and Santa. I didn't know there were two Santas.
You can exchange them if you don't like them.
Oh, they're alright.
I don't. Oh, and this is for everybody. We should do this one last of all. Anyway, yes, this is a candle for my room. It was attached to the loom, to the bead loom. Ooh, the beads that go to the bead loom, not a candle. Wait a minute, there's nothing inside.
Must be an early April Fool's present.
Rip off. What?
What'd you get this time?
A headband.
That's for the flashlight.
Oh.
Well, is
Are
it
you
time?
positive nothing will go in here?
There's more presents.
Definitely a puzzle, I'll tell you that. Ooh, this one looks really hard, too.
Wow.
I could use a good challenge. 1,000 piece. No surprise there.
All tucked in.
Now 10,000.
All tucked in.
That would be a little surprising. Whatever.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. A few left. I'm just putting it over. Should I put it in here?
You can
Well,
go
if
ahead
I
and
clean
open
this
it,
up
Devin.
now, then I won't have to do that later, right? Isn't that the point?
Mm-hmm.
Better now than later. Okay, now this, and this way.
Okay, let's get a drum roll going.
Go.
Look, there's a little slip of paper in there. Maybe it says something on the little slip of paper. What does it say? You gotta read it out loud now.
The food is not for wild birds roaming outside in our yard. It's for a new member of our family. Look around carefully for a little yellow bird.
Rest when I
Okay.
need 'em.
Can I do it as in hot and cold?
I think that's a good idea. Rascal,
Probably not going to be outside, I know that.
open your mouth.
Cold. 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 Getting even colder. The icicles are starting to hang. I'm starting to get a tiny, tiny bit.
Getting warmer.
A little bit. It's still pretty cold. A little bit warmer. Now you're starting to get warmer. Getting warmer. Kind of warmish. Getting warmer.
So colorful.
He's saying hi to you. He's chirping the first time today. Don't put your fingers too close to him yet. Just talk.
Hello.
He's saying
That's the
hi.
most he said so far.
Yeah. He knows you're special.
Where are we going to keep him?
I think in the computer room. He's,
Okay.
look at all
Well,
the
there's a window there.
Look at the mess. A window without direct sunlight is fine. He's definitely messy. Listen to him talking to you, Lauren.
Hello. so beautiful. That's all he's doing, hopping around and tripping. But fun to watch. At least you don't have to clip his wings, right?
Mm-hmm.
He's a little feather. I'll give it back to him. I love the purple cage.
Mm.
Hello. Hello. What's your name? What's your name? How are we gonna move it? Doesn't have a handle.
You
does it?
have to lift it from below.
I was afraid of that.
So much attention.
Guess you have to put on a swing and everything.
I haven't seen him on it yet.
Maybe he's just not interested in tricks at the moment. He's too busy showing off.
Hmm.